Servicely natively supports mobile browsers. On the right, we see an iPhone browser. On the left, we see the same form viewed using a standard desktop browser. We can see impact and urgency is not displayed on the mobile interface. Servicely allows you to define form aspects depending on the device. For example, you may want fewer fields when viewing a form on the mobile device than the desktop. This allows you to quickly create custom form views for mobile devices versus those desktop interface. As we can see here, we've configured this form to give us all the relevant information we need on the mobile. Dashboards are accessible and fully functional in the mobile view. Here we see the dashboard for My Incidents. On the left we see the same dashboard on the desktop. We can scroll to see all reports in the dashboard supporting full drill-down functionality.